I'm Arushi Mehra. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is an accessories haul. I recently bought a few accessories from Shein, and I know Shein is banned, but I was really excited to film this video, so I thought why not. So here I am with all the accessories that I want to show you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is this neck piece. So mostly I bought neck pieces because this is a current obsession of mine to actually get a lot of neck pieces. So this was the first one, and this was, I think, my favorite from the lot, but I wore it once and it broke down, unfortunately. I tried to fix it, this one, but it was not right. It wasn't getting, like, I was not able to do it right. So I think I'll try it again, but yeah, whatever. I'll definitely try it. This is very beautiful and very long, and it's heavy too, so it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Absolutely loved it. So yeah. So the next thing is this neck piece. It has a beautiful rose and a string hanging below. So yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. See, look how gorgeous it is. I absolutely loved it. A rose, beans, tassels type. So beautiful, right? So yeah. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is this neck piece again, and it is like a star and moon neck piece. Just beautiful. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's very delicate and very beautiful. It's long, but it's very delicate. I have to handle it with a lot of care. So yeah, it's very beautiful. And as you know, Shein is very cheap in these things, so I got it all the stuff very cheap. So yeah. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is these are earrings. So I'm going to show you. I absolutely loved these earrings. Absolutely. One is short and one is long. So yeah, it has lotus and leaves. So it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. When you wear it, it's like amazing. It's really pretty. So I had an one off shoulder dress, and so I wore it with that, where on the side of the sleeve I wore the short one, and on the other side I wore the long one, and it looked beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So yeah. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is a neck piece again. So yeah, this, oh my god, this one, now I remember, this was beautiful, very pretty. So yeah, so this one, it has stars, it has 3 layers, and it's very long, and yeah, so it is very beautiful. You know, can you see it? Yeah, it has stars, and wow, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I can't wait to wear this. I haven't yet. I can't wait to wear this. It's beautiful. There's no doubt that Shein had amazing accessories, amazing at amazing prices, in fact. And you know, you feel when you buy it, when you want to buy one thing, you get 10. you want to get 10, you may get 5, but you want to get 10. There were always 5 to 6 things in my wish list on Shein. No other website but Shein. Because they, attract you with good looking accessories and clothes, and at very cheap prices and very good offers also. So yeah. So the next thing is earrings. Okay, so I lost the original packaging, so this is how I keep my earrings in these pouches. So yeah, these are the earrings. I'll show you mine with like this. Yeah, it has these tassels at behind. So yeah, this is how it looks like when you wear it. Yeah, it's beautiful again. You know, you can go for this way also. Let's see, it's very beautiful, very beautiful. I wore it once or twice. It's beautiful. So yeah. So the next thing is this neck piece again, and it is very beautiful again. It has a butterfly. Okay, so the next one is this. Okay, this has a butterfly, very cute black butterfly, and here is written baby girl. So I absolutely love this word, baby girl, and yeah, butterflies. So always, I love it. So yeah, it's very short, but it's very beautiful. So I had to pick this one up because butterfly and baby girl both together. So yeah, can't wait to wear this. I haven't wore any of these, like I haven't worn most of these products. I have wore just the both earrings and the first neck piece that I showed you. Only that. Others are just kept packed. So the next thing is this. Okay, so there was a pack of 9 neck pieces and it was a pretty good deal. It was, I think, for 300. So I thought, why not? So beautiful. So the first one is this triangle. This is beautiful, so delicate and so smart, so classy. So yeah, I loved it. And the next is this snowflake. So pretty. I actually forgot what all were there in this because it's been like 2 months since this package got delivered. So yeah. So the next is this snowflake. It's beautiful. Again. Yeah. So the next is this round. Because I recently watched this series. It was a Spanish series, and so I saw it on Netflix. And the male and the female character of that show, of that series, always wore this kind of neck piece, and oh my god, she looked amazing. But her was a little bigger than this one, but it was amazing. I would really style like that because she was slaying it. She was killing it. So yeah. Yeah. So the next one is this some geometric pattern. Let's show you. So some kind of, okay, it's a bird, geometric shapes, like bird, so it is beautiful. Yet these are so delicate, I feel like I will break them so easily. Yeah. Next is moon and apple. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So beautiful. Wow. I'm opening this for the first time. So these are like my honest, unfiltered opinions. I opened others, but this pack of 9, I just saw it and I just kept it. So yeah, I'm opening this for the first time. Yeah, so the next one is this. This is a palm tree. It's cute. It's very cute if you want to wear a small neck piece, little one. So it's very cute for that. Yeah. So the next one is this triangles. Oh, nice. Oh wow, it's like very nice. I really like it. I really like it. Yeah, it's very beautiful. It's very classy, chic. Very nice. So the next is this, just a stone, no, diamond kind. Just very elegant. I think it will look very elegant. Very nice. Yes, it look very nice. I love it. Very nice. So the last but not the least, it's a star. So here it is. Beautiful. Wow. I really love it. I can't wait to wear them all. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So here is the end of our video, of the end of our accessories. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one, and tell me in the comment section below that which one do you like the most. Thank you. Bye.